hotter. Hotter. What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old trendsetter. NEWLINK. Hotter.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in yourself, man. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. Some people, we all know the talk, we all know the scene, you know. You understand, as what them would say, life and death is a must, my people. And death is a thing where all of us on earth have to face as human being, my people. You understand? And my viewers and subscribers, it is just sometime, you know, how that do occurred or how, you know what I mean? But remember, you cannot prevent this thing, and you cannot know the minute, the time, the hour, the place, or when it gonna do happen, my viewers and subscribers. And that's why me always tell people, say, live life, enjoy life, trust in God. You get what I'm saying, my viewers and subscribers? So right now, my people, you don't know, say, on Friday, November the 4th, 2022, my viewers and subscribers, there was a deadly thing that happened over there, you understand, in Manchester, Jamaica, my people. And them say a part of the road where them call name the Melrose bypass, my viewers and subscribers. Sometime up in the night, evening hours, my people, a deadly accident occurred, my people, with a little car, you understand, and a minibus. Oh my world, oh my precious. So this minibus, my people, who them say I transport some worker in them, viewers and subscribers, and them say it have about 13 person inside this minibus, see? And the car now, my people, who them say like was doing some taxi thing, it have a female inside, 2 male passengers was also inside, my viewers and subscribers, which sadly the male passenger from the car, my people, yeah, you understand, the 2 male passenger and the lone female, my people, them never make it, sadly. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. So the 3 of them gone, my viewers and subscribers. But what we really want to talk about, and as you see the title, my people, is about this little female, my viewers and subscribers. So she was gearing up, my people, planning up for celebrate her 20th birthday, my people. You understand? So just 2 days before her 20th birthday, my people, where she was planning, you know what I mean, preparing for have a good time. This is my 20th birthday. It's going to be special. I'm going to celebrate with friends and families. You know what I mean, my people, having something big in mind just 2 days before. And sadly, she never make it, my people. So instead of all these family members gearing up, planning up, you know what I mean, who are going to buy the ice cream, who are going to put on the local soup there, so who are going to do this, who are going to curry the local chicken and the chicken background there, some people, them have to be planning something different, which is the burial of this young one, my viewers and subscribers. See, and it's just sad, my people. Them said she was also planning, my people, for pursue a career in the nursing field. You know what I mean? Of all of these big hopes, big plan, big dream, my people. But sadly, at the age of 19, my people, she passes away, pertaining to injuries sustained in this deadly crash. And one thing I can say, my viewers and subscribers, people out there, listen what I'm saying, drivers, motorists, because I've seen the statistics now, and them say since the start of the year in Jamaica, my people, 2022, over 400 persons has died pertaining to motor vehicle accident, my viewers and subscribers, in Jamaica. And people, that's a lot. You understand? That's a lot. Over 400, my people. Huh? So just imagine how much family lost their loved ones, my people, on these roads. Motorists drive with care, because in this accident, my people, one of these driver, you know what I mean, is at fault. And I saw where the police are saying, my people, the road traffic police are saying the driver is expected to be charged for basically the killing, the slaughter, because of BS and fame, bad driving and dirty driving, my people, cost the life of these 3. You know what I mean? But all I can do and all I can say, I want to send out my deepest condolences to this little female people, and also for the other 2 male passengers, because I never get no update on them, people who passed away. Like I never get the age or name or anything. You know what I mean? Them say them to identify them yet. I don't know up to date now if they do find the identification of them, people. But at the moment, they never identified them people. But I just want to send out my deepest condolences, you know what I mean? And may their soul rest in peace. Some people, big up on yourself, man. More love, more respect, and more blessings. And again, my viewers and subscribers, please drive with care and caution on these deadly road in Jamaica, my people. Because I don't want none of you to become victim on these roads. So peace out, my people. Enough love, enough respect, and enough blessings. And just stay safe and do the right thing. Please remember to do like, do share, do comment, and do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook and Twitter. NEWLINK Production Official Attacking Boss. Subscribe.